Hello, welcome back. Just a very quick video here. I've been trying to get the chrome off an Iteria model kit. It's a Western Star Australian truck it's called, and various bits and pieces that I've seen on YouTube in the past. The first one is oven cleaner, and that's for the oven cleaner there. It's been in there about 2 hours. And as you can see, it's not made the slightest bit of difference. If anything, it's made it shinier. Then I used Silk Bang, because somebody said if you use bleach, it'll bring it off. That's been in there about 2 hours, and all that's done is make it shinier. Somebody else said use Dettol. There is a little bit of caustic soda in Dettol. The old style Dettol, the brown liquid, and that's made the chrome go a bit dull, but it's not got it off. It's not moved it off. So that's that. I did try some paint stripper. That was my own idea, and all that did was melt the plastic, so that wasn't great. I then tried some caustic soda. You can see where this is going, can't you? So I tried some caustic soda, and that has brought the chrome off. Look at that. Still a couple of little bits on. It's been in about 2 hours, and it's got most of it off. A couple of little tiny bits on there that need to be. The two ends there are gone. I don't think I made the mix quite strong enough. So I'll leave that in for another hour and see if it does bring it off. But those two tanks are the same as those two tanks. And as you can see, there's one's completely back to plastic and the other one is still basically chrome. So there you go. The way to go with it is caustic soda, in my opinion. If you use caustic soda, be very, very careful with it. If you put it in hot water with plastic, you're going to distort the plastic. So that's been done in cold water. I would imagine that if it was done in hot water, it would bring it off very quickly indeed. But the trouble is then, of course, you might distort, you might warp the plastic parts, which isn't really what you want to do. And if you use caustic soda and you do use hot water, if you're trying to get paint off metal, put the water in first, put the parts in, and then gently sprinkle the caustic soda in. If you do it the other way, you really can cause yourself an injury. And the obvious: wear a pair of nitrile gloves and a mask if you're doing it inside. Hope that's of some help to everybody, and it would be great if you could like, subscribe, and maybe share the video. And I'll speak to you next time. Thanks very much. Ta-da.